do here is you just crank that motherfucker up. Well, it was all going so smooth, and finally ran into our first problem. So, got a pretty big issue. I heard a little bit of a squeaking when I was driving down the road, and I thought it was nothing. I just thought I went through some water and maybe it splashed up onto the belt. But turns out it was the tensioner failing. The pulley on there just kind of walked itself off, and the belt was actually rolling on the metal arm itself. So I don't know how the heck it didn't just immediately destroy the belt, but I drove for like 15 minutes like that. I only pulled into this gas station because I wanted to get some headphones because I couldn't get the Bluetooth to work on the stereo. Really, really lucky that I came in when I did. And after I came back out, I started it back up and it, was squealing again. So I shut it off. I'm like, oh, I should probably take a look at that. Sure enough, yeah, the belt's not even on the pulley. So luckily it's still holding the belt tight and everything, but it's not rolling on it. It's just scraping on the metal arm. I guess it's smooth enough to where it hasn't destroyed it yet, but it's 5 in the morning and stores don't open up until 7, and there's a town about 6 miles and they have the parts that I need. Problem is getting there. This is out in the middle of nowhere. There's no Uber around, and luckily the guy in the gas station is about to get off in about 30 minutes and is nice enough to give me a ride over to the parts store. So probably gonna have to walk my happy ass back from there, but if I can get rid of one leg of the trip, it's just a giant help. So really, really appreciate his help. I don't even know what his name is yet. I'll have to meet him here in a second officially. All right. Good news is I got a bunch of parts from Advanced Auto. The bad news is they were wrong, or at least, yeah, actually all of them are wrong. The tensioner that they gave me was the wrong one, and this one's toast. But hopefully they are going to bring me the new one. He did end up finding the right one. There was a miscommunication with the car that he looked up and the part number, or it just got misboxed. So I think he feels a little bit bad about it, and he's going to drive it over here because I'm like 6 miles away. It's not even that far. So hopefully he gives me a text back here in a second. I sent him the address. So yeah, hopefully we can swap it out, because what he described is hopefully correct now. I thought about just stealing the pulley off of that other one and trying to retrofit it onto this, but I don't even think, I'm not sure that would work either, because I don't think it's the right diameter washer, and probably won't be able to make it work. So hopefully he's got the right tensioner and we should be good to go. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Hopefully I can zoom in on this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but the belt was riding on this part of the tensioner right here. So it luckily it was as smooth as it was, and it somehow didn't break the belt. But I mean, it was riding like this for probably about 15 minutes of driving. So amazing that it got me here and didn't break earlier and leave me completely stranded on the side of the road. That would have been a really, really bad day. So lucky us, even though a little bit unlucky as well. But yeah. See if those parts come. I got another water pump just in case. I got an idler pulley, but it turns out that was probably a mistake of theirs as well, because this one doesn't even have an idler pulley. So I could probably return that also, save a little bit of money. We'll see, fingers crossed. I'm so glad I had you look at that, because this one's definitely the wrong one.
Oh no.
I was wondering, because I was like, it looks smaller than what was on there.
This one is
Say how many
83 3/4 long, and 3 by 32, 332 wide.
Yeah, that's got to be right? Because that pulley is huge. Okay. Well, let's do that one too.
What else for you?
Hopefully that's it. I think so.
Thank you, and good luck.
Thank you so much.
Before you get going.
Me too. I think you just solved all my problems.
Well, that's good. You have a happy New Year.
Thank you. You too.
Have a good one, boss.
You too. All right, looks like we're in business. Ugh. All right.
They had it?
Yep.
All right.
It looks different, like looks wise, but everything lines up.
Okay.
It's like a 1/2 inch instead of 3/8 for the, like where you actually crank on it.
Oh,
but
okay.
yeah, bolt goes through, everything should be good. Oh yeah,
Just in case if you ever come down.
I got it saved now. You said Chris, right?
Yeah, Chris.
Yeah, I'm Derek.
All right, man.
Great to meet you, man.
I'll save your number and I'll put Derek as well, all right?
All right, sounds good.
I will be here just in case of
Okay.
anything works out.
Yeah, it should go pretty quick if it all works. Watch your face. I get, dude, cannot thank you enough, man.
Anytime you get stuck again out here, just give me a call.
Shit, I'm gonna come all the way out here just to take you to dinner. Appreciate it, dude. All right, guys, we're in business. Get organized a little bit because I made a mess out of this place, and then we'll get back on the road. Hopefully, that's all we need to go the rest of the way. I have an extra belt just in case, but I don't think we're gonna need it. That belt that was on there wasn't really like damaged very much somehow. I don't know how. Finally. Woo! Let's go. Like literally, let's get the hell out of here. Wicket, as much as I enjoy being here, it is time for me to leave and get home, hopefully at a decent time. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hey, bud. Oh, how you doing? You didn't pee on me, did you? Hi. Hi. Oh, you want to bring them too?
No.
Okay. Hi. Yeah, we gotta. Well, what do you think?
It's filthy.
It's filthy. All right, guys, but that's gonna do it for this one. It's getting dark. The video is gonna go to crap. Do the usual: like, share, subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot of content with this truck. Nothing like fast. We're not gonna be racing it really. I mean, we may do some stuff for fun here and there, but we're gonna be doing a lot of maintenance stuff because it needs a ton, and you know, maybe some stuff with towing and, you know, gas mileage, just general kind of automotive videos. So I'm pretty excited. It's going to be a ton of content in between the racing. So anyway, we will see you on the next one.